So, hi everyone! Magluto to guys sa magamit kay kalan. This we use guys, kalan. We use charcoal. So, there. Atilian nga cook for... No! Una to. Kay lutoon sa nato. So, we have to put first this one. Yep.
It's a pork.
It's a pork. Hindi pa yan. And Bella here, oh. Bella, lay. Go inside, Bing. We use this one charcoal, guys. This one we all, one sack is 190. So this good for 2 weeks, and that's good. So we can save. Yeah, sometimes we use only the oven. So for now we use charcoal. So good. Sige. We use the oven for we cook like big or we cook what's that? Cake. Sana na koy? Say hi. Okay. Kaberisan natin. Ella while cooking she just playing. Ew. So this happened my hand while I'm cutting the eggplant, the talong. There I cut my finger. Already the onion
and garlic.
For the vegetable, guys. What is called? This one the eggplant, and this one the batong. Hey,
Diba?
so there. So I can see outside, guys. Wow. Put soy sauce. Okay, sige. Kamay lang ibutasin na niya. Tama na. Salt, little salt. Then, little salt. Nap
me.
Kuha na gamay. Salt. Then, so we did not use Ajinomoto, guys, because that is not good for bones. So we use magic syrup, just a little. We use salt and soy sauce. So mix. Wow, this is so yummy. So cover. Lilian, how's the cooking? Wow, so yummy. So it's ready. Wow.